Welcome. This time we will discuss about how to persuade your customer through the power of storytelling. Before that, we need to know what is storytelling in marketing? In marketing, storytelling is the use of narratives to promote a product, service, or brand. Stories are a powerful way to connect with an audience and create an emotional response. When used effectively, storytelling can help marketers achieve their goals by engage customers and build loyalty. There are many different types of stories that can be used in marketing, including customer stories, brand stories, and product stories. Customer stories focus on the customer's experience with the product or service. Brand stories tell the story of the company or brand and what it stands for. Product stories focus on the features and benefits of the product or service. Storytelling is a powerful way to persuade your customer. By using stories, you can connect with your customer on an emotional level and get them to see your point of view. Here are some tips on how to use storytelling to persuade your customer. 1. Know your customer. Before you can even begin to think about crafting a persuasive story, you need to have a good understanding of who your customer is. What are their needs? What motivates them? What challenges do they face? The more you know about them, the better equipped you'll be to create a story that resonates with them. 2. Find the right story. Once you know who your customer is, it's time to start thinking about which story will best speak to them. What story will motivate them to change their behavior? What story will they find inspiring? What story will they believe? As you consider the different stories you could tell, be sure to keep your audience's needs and challenges in mind. 3. Keep it brief. Human beings are hardwired to pay attention to stories. It's a survival instinct that goes back thousands of years. When you tell a story, your customer will be captivated. But if the story is too long, they'll get bored and tune out. Keep your stories short and sweet. Learn more about how to use storytelling to persuade your customer and increase your conversion rates with Pipeline's course. Sign up for the course and start persuading your customers today at pipeline.course.id.